Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the Steam Cloud error on Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click the Cloud tab and make sure Enable Steam Cloud is checked. If the issue persists, go to your library and find the game causing the error. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Installed Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Return to the Steam menu and go to Settings again. This time, click the Downloads tab and select Clear Cache to remove temporary glitches. Next, go to the Storage section. Click the three dots next to your library folders and select Repair Library to fix any storage path issues. And that is it. You have just completed a few key steps to fix the Steam Cloud error. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.